Want your thumbnails to actually stand out and get clicked? I'm going to show you exactly how I use my graphics pack to create viral style thumbnails in minutes. By the end, you'll see exactly how these effects can take your designs from average to professional. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and create a project in Photopea. So let's go ahead and click on new project. Now for the size, it's a thumbnail. So apparently you can use 1920 by 1080. I just learned that. So if you want it to be higher quality, I recommend doing that. Once you're done, click create. All right, so the first thing you need to make a viral thumbnail is a really good background, and thankfully this pack has a ton of them. As you can see here, there's a ton to choose from. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this one in right here. Bring it in like this, scale it up, and click that check mark. The next thing we need is some text, and I will be making a tutorial on how I made this text in 5 seconds. That will be my next video, so make sure you have notifications on so you don't miss it. Once you have your text centered, go ahead and click this check mark. The next thing we need are some halftones. So in the folder, you will see there's a halftones folder here, and there's tons of halftones to choose from. I'm going to go with number 6 and bring it in. Now you'll see once you bring it in, there's actually white. Go ahead and change the blend mode to multiply, and that'll completely get rid of it. Now hit Ctrl J to duplicate the halftones. Hit Ctrl Alt T to free transform it. Right click and flip horizontally and flip vertically. So now it'll be at the bottom left. From here we can turn the opacity down on it just a little bit to about 50%, and we'll do that on both of them. It's just a subtle little effect, but I like it. Next up, let's add some particles. Thankfully there's a ton of particles in the pack, so if you click on particles, you'll see a bunch of particles here. That was a lot of particles. I'm going to drag this one in right now and scale it all the way up so it fills the entire canvas. Then I'm going to change the blend mode to, we could try a few of them. I'm going to go with color dodge. Now what I'm going to do is add a raster mask to it like this. I'm going to get my brush tool and kind of brush away the particles away from the text because I don't really want it there. Next up, I'm going to get a light spot. So in the folder, you'll see there's a sunlight one. Go ahead and click on that and drag in number 10. Then I'm going to drag it all the way to the top and have it just like this, like a little spotlight almost. Now I'm going to add some curves. So go down here to the new adjustment layer menu and go to curves. Then I'm just going to drag this one to the left a little bit and down and bring this one up a little bit. It kind of makes a difference. Not a huge one, but I like it. Now let's get our brush tool and make sure the top box is white. And we're going to brush on a few here. Hold on. Make sure you're not on this layer. Go down here and create a new layer and change the blend mode to overlay and just start dropping some brush strokes randomly throughout the text like this. It's just, I don't know, it's a cool effect. If you guys think you want this pack so far, go ahead and go down in the description. There's a link to download it. The next step, we're going to be adding Super Bloom. So if you don't have Super Bloom, go up to Window, Plugins, and either search it up or it should be right here. Once you're here, click Install, click this X, and it should be over here on the right. Now when you click it, all you want to do is adjust the brightness to about 25 and click Add to Document. Then from here, you can adjust the opacity, and just like that, you have an awesome viral thumbnail. All you have to do to export it is go up to File, Export as JPEG. If you like this pack so far and you want to download it, go down in the description below. It'll take you to my website, the viral thumbnail pack, and you can type in however much you would like to pay. It could be 0, it could be 10. Once you're done, click Add to Cart. Go ahead and check out now, type in your information and download it.